Garmin's Marine Network cable features a 6-meter length with Garmin's 010-12531-00 cable coupler, small connector. It is compatible with the following items: GC200 Marine IP camera, GLS-10 Sonar Module GLS-10 Sonar Module, GMR Fantom 124 GMR Fantom 124, GMR Fantom 126 GMR Fantom 126, GMR Fantom 54 GMR Fantom 54, GMR Fantom 56 GMR Fantom 56, GXM 53 GXM 53, GXM 54 GXM 54, Panoptix Live Scope System, Panoptix Live Scope System, Panoptix Live Scope System, and Panoptix Live Scope System. Additional sizes are available and sold separately. Top reviews from the United States. It's what it says it is. Exactly what I needed to get my Livescope mounted under my console. Make sure you get the right cable since there are numerous cables from Garmin. The cables were exactly as shown online and work very well.